In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a customer for an overpayment in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes a customer pays more than they owe, and you decide to send that extra money back instead of leaving it as a credit on their account. To keep your books accurate, you need to record both the refund itself and how it ties back to the original overpayment. I'll walk you through this step by step, and you can follow along in your own QuickBooks Online account. First, we're going to record the refund check or expense. In QuickBooks Online, go to the top left and select the plus icon labeled New or Create, depending on how your version is set up. From the list of options that appears, choose either Expense or Check, based on how you're refunding the customer. If you're cutting a paper check, choose Check. If you're refunding electronically or logging it as a general outgoing payment, choose Expense. The accounting impact will be the same. Next, look for the Payee drop-down at the top of the form. Here, select the customer you're refunding. This is important because it links the transaction to their customer account and lets QuickBooks recognize that this payment relates to that specific person or business. Then, move to the Payment Account drop-down. Select the bank account the refund is coming from. This should match the actual account you use to issue the refund, such as your main checking account. This step ensures your bank balance in QuickBooks will match your real-world balance once everything is reconciled. Now, in the first line of the category column, select Accounts Receivable. This tells QuickBooks that the refund is going toward a customer's receivable balance, not just a general expense. In the amount field on that same line, enter the exact refund amount you're giving back to the customer. Double-check this against the overpayment so there's no remaining small balance. When everything looks correct, select Save and Close. That records the refund in your books. Next, we need to link this refund to the customer's overpayment so their balance clears properly. Again, select the plus icon for New, and this time choose Receive Payment. This may feel a bit backward, but we're using this form to match the refund to the existing credit. In the Customer dropdown, select the same customer you refunded. You'll see a list of items in the Outstanding Transactions section. Look for the expense or check you just created and check the box next to it. The amount to apply should now match the customer's credit from the overpayment. QuickBooks will net these amounts against each other. When the amounts line up and the balance shows as 0, select Save and Close. That links the refund to the overpayment and clears the customer's outstanding credit, keeping both your customer list and your financial reports accurate.